A very good morning to all the students of PUC first year, Arts, Science and Commerce. I am Muhammad Ghulam Rabbani from Department of English, working at Nehru Arts, Science and Commerce College, Kentikeri, Hubli. Dear students, I have been teaching you people Babar Ali, and this is a big lesson. So I have taught you people till Anand Shiksha Niketan, name of a Babar Ali's school. My dear students, before watching this, you have to open your course book, your lesson book. Turn on the page number 47 today, and whatever the sentences are read by me, and I explain here, you go through the sentences and try to understand the text. If there would be any difficult words, I would like to give you the substitute of the words, means simple words. In simple words I would like to highlight so that you can understand. My dear students, without taking much of your time, I would like to start from page number 47, the last paragraph, Anand Shiksha Niketan. Anand Shiksha Niketan, it is a name of Babar Ali's own school that he established. So Babar Ali actually started his school at the mere age of 9. So you may not believe that at the age of 9 who can establish a school. So Babar Ali had established his school, had opened a school at the only age of 9. There is a story behind this. Very soon you are going to know about it. In fact, his school Anand Shiksha Niketan grew out of a game. So his school name is Anand Shiksha Niketan, and it grew out of a game. When he was a child, just 9 years old, he used to play school with his mates, with his friends, and from there only he initiated his school. He got an idea to run a school. So he was an exceptional boy, Babar Ali. From his childhood only, his game was not to play cricket, football, hockey or other kabaddi and other games, but he used to play school with his mates, means with his friends. So see, these are the words of Babar Ali. Below that, in italicized format, we used to play school with me as teacher. Babar Ali says he used to play school with his friends, and he was teacher. He used to become teacher. His friends used to become student when he was just 9 years old. My friends had never seen the inside of a school. So his friend had never seen the inside of the school. They had never got experience of visiting school because they were from very poor family. Their parents could not afford the fees They could not bear the fees. So what they used to do, they were not going to school. So they had not seen the inside of the school. As they enjoyed playing students. So here Babar Ali used to assemble his friends. He used to gather his friends. He was making them to sit, and he was teaching whatever he was learning from his teachers. And everybody was having keen interest. Every child, every kid had a keen interest, a keen interest to listen Babar Ali, though he was also very small. He was at the age of 9. They ended up learning arithmetic and enjoying it. So what Babar Ali used to teach? Arithmetic. So arithmetic, maybe he used to tell the digits, multiplication, the add and other things, whatever he was learning from his teachers. Said Babar Ali while trying to explain how he initially started teaching. So these are the words of Babar Ali. He said while he was trying to explain that how he initially at the beginning started his teaching. And in 2002, the game got institutionalized with the strength of 8. My dear students, I told you that this is a real story. It happened in Murshidabad, West Bengal, and in 2002 the game got institutionalized. It was a game earlier. Which was the game? Playing school was a game. But in 2002 it got institutionalized. It became institution. From a game it became institution with the strength of 8. So when he opened his school, what was the strength of the students? Just 8 students enrolled in his school. Just 8 students had taken admission in Babar Ali's school when he initiated. Initiated means when he started his school. So gradually word spread. Gradually means slowly word spread. The students used to tell their parents. Parents used to spread the words to other parents that there is a school established by Babar Ali and he is not taking even a single pie or a paisa. So word is spread surrounding his village and the neighboring village also, and the number grew. So number of students used to enroll in Babar Ali's school. Students from different villages, nearby villages, and from his own village used to come and take admission in Babar Ali's school. Help began to come from other quarters. So now help began to come from other quarters, from other agencies, Babar's own teachers, monks at the local Ramakrishna mission, sympathetic IS officers, even local cops. So Babar's own teachers used to help Babar Ali to run a school. Monks at the local Ramakrishna mission, the religious people, the monks used to come from a Ramakrishna mission. They were also helping Babar Ali to run a school because Babar Ali was working for the poor children to build their careers, to build their lives, and to build their futures. That was the reason that Babar Ali got help from different quarters, from his own teachers, from local Ramakrishna mission, then sympathetic IAS officers. Even the IAS officers, when they heard about Babar Ali's achievements, about Babar Ali's venture, about Babar Ali's what is called intention that he is running a school without taking paisa, he wanted to help the poor. So even the sympathetic IAS officers, they used to come and they were helping Babar Ali. Even local cops, even the army people used to come, the soldiers used to come, they were helping Babar Ali. When Babar first thought up a midday meal scheme, the rice came from his father's fields. But now with the aid of friends in the administration, it comes from government stock. So my dear friends, when Babar Ali thought up a midday meal scheme, he thought to provide midday meal for the poor children, but it was not a government school. Who will provide the food for the children? My dear friends, my dear students and viewers, let me inform you that his own father, Nasiruddin Sheikh, he inspired his child Babar Ali and assured him that he will provide grain from his fields, he will provide rice from his own fields, and Babar Ali was very much confident when he heard the inspiring words, the beautiful words from his father. And with the aid of friends in the administration, it comes from government stock. Later on, there were many friends. They joined hands with Babar Ali, and due to the aid of friends in administration of Babar Ali's school, now the food comes from government stock. Grains come from government stock. Now the government is also providing food. Today, 9 years down the line, the school has 60 regular attendees and over 220 students on roll call and 800 students in total, with 10 volunteer teachers teaching grades 1 through 8. The writer Samarpita Mukherjee says that today 9 years down means he established his school in 2002. After completion of 9 means in 2011, what was the strength of Babar Ali's school? How many students enrolled in Babar Ali's school? My dear students, let me inform you that in his school he had 60 regular attendees and over 200 students on roll call and 800 students in total. So how many students enrolled in Babar Ali's school? 800 students. Just imagine, after establishing of his school and completion of his 9 years, students used to come and they were taking admission in Babar Ali's school, and the strength was 800 students. Just imagine, with 10 volunteer teachers. So how many teachers were there in Babar Ali's school? My dear students, 10 teachers were there. All were what is called volunteer teachers, They used to teach freely. They were also not taking money from Babar Ali's school, or Babar Ali, because they knew that Babar Ali was running a school for a poor children. He himself is not taking even a single paisa from anybody. So teachers were rendering their service, giving their service without taking money, having good intention to teach the poor children. They were teaching from grades 1 through grades 8. And his little afternoon venture is now registered and recognized by the West Bengal state government. So 9 years down, the West Bengal state government approved Babar Ali's school, and it has become an aided school, recognized school, and it has become registered school now, which means students graduating from Babar Ali's school are eligible to be transferred to other local high schools. It means that those who have completed the education from Babar's schools are eligible to take admission in government high school. When the children of the village and the localities nearby are done with their course and jobs at a time, so when the children of the village and localities nearby are done with their course and jobs, when the small children, they completed their course, their works, their jobs at daytime, they run to attend Babar Ali's afternoon school. So Babar Ali was running a school. It was, the timing of the school was afternoon, and they arrived in time for Tulu Mashi's opening bell. There was a Tulu Mashi, and when she was ringing the bell, the children used to rush forth to Babar Ali's school. They were running to attend Babar Ali's class, and after completion of their jobs and their course, means works. So my dear students, let me tell you that in Babar Ali's school, there is no furniture, no chair, no benches, no classrooms, no fans, no facility. There is no facility. Facility was not provided because Babar Ali was running a school under the blue sky, under the open sky, in his family's backyard. So my dear students, in next class I will complete this chapter, because if the video is large, then it will be problematic for me to upload on YouTube channel. So for my next video, stay tuned, and you read, write, understand, and explore in the field of education. My dear students, always I emphasize that you be skilled, go after education, knowledge, and explore the world of information, and one day you will be rewarded when you will see yourself in great position. So my dear students, let me stop for the day. I will continue to the next class. Have a blessed day. Thank you. very much.